Hello friends, my name is Prabhat from Prabhat Tech Vision, and I welcome all of my subscribers and viewers on my YouTube channel Prabhat Tech Vision. And in today's video I gonna tell you that how you can browse your data in aeroplane mode. Yeah, so for it what we have to do, we just have to open our call bar and type *4636 #, and for doing it before doing it we just have to on our aeroplane mode. Okay, and now we just have to go for a we have a two SIM in our phone information 1 and phone information 2. Phone information 1 for our first SIM and phone information 2 is our for second SIM. And go for it and scroll, and here you see mobile radio power. You just have to turn on. Okay, and go for another, do it same also. And in the here you see phone information 1 and phone information 2, and you have to select which SIM in which you have a data. Okay, as in my situation I have a data in a first SIM, so I select first SIM and go for more. And here you see the disable data connection. So my data connection is already enabled in this SIM. So let's ready and go for YouTube. Okay, stay here you see. Okay, internet is just going on, and you can see my aeroplane mode is just on. So thanks of all my friends. Please subscribe our channel Prabhat Tech Vision. Thank you.